Friends, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you that how can a smartphone can be used as a microphone for the PC. Yeah, basically I'm using UU Reka here, which is on based on the Cyanogen mode. So there was some problems and there were some problems while we are installing between the PCs and the mobile. So I think that it is better to tell you that how to configure the settings and you can use smartphone as a microphone for the PC, that is for the desktop or the laptop, right? Let us start for the process. I'm just telling about telling about for the PC. Please see that clearly. Okay, go in the Googles and search W O is WOMIC, WOMIC, right? And go to the first options. You can see the WOMIC app applications wireless. Okay, and after that you can see the downloads button in the left side, and here is the two programs. It's a client setup programs and a WOMIC driver, device driver. You have to install both drivers. It will take not more than one minute or 2 minutes. If your net is very slow, that it might take up to the 5 minutes. Okay, I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install in this computer, and it is very easy to install. The problem will not occur if you installing these one things. After that, you will go into in your smartphone and in the Google search. You can see in the Google search, just search WOMIC, right? And in the first option you can see the WOMIC in the orange colors, and I have already installed it. So you need to install first. It will not take, it's 1.5 MB 1.5 MB space. It will take not more than time. Okay, after that installations, you need to go in that applications, and in the settings part you need to choose USB. Okay, in that USB you will see the screen as like, and here you will see the start button and then a stop button. Okay, so setting up this app into your microphone is into your phone basically. It will not take more than 2 minutes, and it will install very easily. The problem may occur when you installing that means when you configuring the connections between PC and the mobile. Then yeah, here come into the settings part. Basically go into the settings of that mobile. Okay, and the settings you can see here the about phone, and go into the about phone. You will see, yeah, in the about phone you will you will see the build number in that about phone, and click 7 to 8 times. After that you will see options. Yeah, after as I'm talking about the Eureka, basically Eureka is just different, all the things coming to different. So after the build number means it will activate to debugging, and in the all the smartphone, normal smartphone, that's I'm talking about the Android phone. You need to click, you need to check its USB debugging, and in the developer options he consider here. Okay, and in that developer options, you need to on the all these three: Android debugging, that's the ADB over network. It will, when it will connect, it automatically detect the the IP address of that computer, right? Or the Wi-Fi, whatever you are using. Yes, a debugging notify here means you all three you have to make its on. Okay. After that, come to this one part. Uh, when you installed the WoMic on the PC, you will see this kind of window on that, right? So go into the options and connect to the auto reconnect, right? And then come to the connect. When you click on the connect, there are some issues occur that fail to the connect server connections failure or something like. So for this, you need to go in the ADB driver, right? Basically, ADB driver, ADB driver sometimes it's create the problem. So you can directly download the ADB driver from here, and after that, it will you need to restart your computer, and when you go into the connections and the connect, it will automatically connect. I think it will help for you. Okay. And if you like or if you want to such kind of videos in the next part, so you can subscribe me. Thank you for the time. Have a nice day.